Okay, take a deep breath in, out. Okay, breath in, out. Okay, breath in, out. Okay, good. Relax your shoulder. That was a big one.
Relax the shoulder more, relax the shoulder more.
See how rock hard these muscles are here? He's just got these two big channels of massively guarded muscles, like they just won't let go at all. Alright, this is not going to be easy for you, mate. I'll make it as gentle as I can.
Oh!
Can you see that getting? I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Like, this is within seconds. Can you see that dip getting less?
Mm. That one, didn't we? Take a deep breath for me. Let it all out. Good, good. Come on up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to adjust your mid back first. Okay? Take a deep breath in. Out. Okay. Out. Okay. Out. Okay. Go on your side, face me. Relax. Relax your shoulder. Okay. And relax, relax, relax. Relax.
I'm trying to. Oh, damn.
Relax.
Where it comes here, right there. And then to set that in, we're gonna set a posterior radius anterior. So bring our point proximal, let that elbow go loose, and that sits in right in there. Then we approximate the distal radius of ulna, like that, and then we check the elbow. Let the shoulder relax. Good.
And then what we're going to do, I want you to just totally relax everything, look up.
Take a deep breath. Blow out.
You're still alive, Dish.
Nice and relaxed here. Just let it go right there. Good. Good. Go and breathe in, man. And out. Okay, let it go. Good. Let's go here. Breathe in. And out. Good. Good, nice. Very good, very good. Good, nice. Good. Is that sweat I feel coming off your head?
Yeah.